What's up, guys? If you've been trying to trade crypto and feel like you're just losing money, it's probably because you're playing the wrong side of the game. Think of it like a casino. Most people are the players losing their money at the tables, but the person who owns the casino always wins. Today, I'm showing you how to become the owner. I'm breaking down the exact strategy to launch your own coins from scratch, making it so easy that anyone can do it. So let's get started. Look at the screen, $5.3 million in my Phantom wallet. I'm not showing you this to flex or anything. I'm just showing you because I stopped staring at trading charts and started actually building. I've transitioned from a trader to a dev, and honestly, the results speak for themselves. Stick around because I'm breaking down the exact launch strategy I'm using right now. I'm not just showing you a wallet, I'm showing you the exact blueprint for launching a coin and actually pulling profit from it today. First, we have to find the platform that actually brings the buyers to you. Then we hit the market with the right tools. I've narrowed it down to two strategies. Honestly, they're the only two you need right now. I'll walk you through the launch, how to set your liquidity so the token actually shows up on people's radars, and then I'm dropping a promotion platform that is a total game changer. So we're going to track the live buys as they hit the chains, and then I'll show you the most important part, how to actually secure your profit. Don't skip a second of this. So first things first, what's the actual difference between Pump.fun and Raydium, and where should you be launching? If you're wondering why your launches are stalling, look at this photon feed. The Pump.fun volume is so saturated that you're basically invisible the moment you hit deploy. The meta has shifted. When we flip the filter to Raydium, the signal to noise ratio completely changes. You're seeing quality over quantity. This gives your community time to actually find you and your chart time to breathe. My strategy is simple. Stop competing in the lottery on Pump.fun and start building on Raydium, where the sticky liquidity lives. Why are people losing money in meme coins? Be a creator or still buying people meme coins? Choice is up to you. Now listen, most of you aren't losing money because you're bad at the charts. You're losing because you're playing a rigged game. You buy into a moonshot, you pray for a pump, and then you get liquidated by the dev who actually built the play. In that scenario, you aren't a trader, you're just an exit liquidity. In 2026, the meta has shifted. Trading is a gamble, deving is a business. It costs almost nothing to launch a coin right now. So why would you keep betting on someone else's vision when you can be the one in control? You decide when to scale, when to take profit, and when to pivot. It's time to stop being the audience and start being the house. It's going to be insane. Look, I'm moving away from Pump.fun because it's just too saturated right now. Coins are dropping every second, and the dark side of Pump.fun is that you cannot manage your liquidity and their liquidity fees are too much. But I'm launching on Raydium to actually get eyes on the project and hit a real market cap. And this video is purely for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, so please, bro, just do your own research. There are two strategies for launching a meme coin. The first strategy is manual creation, in which you have to find a narrative on social media, just like X and any other platform. In my eyes, there are so many tools for this, but I'm really impressed with the results of launchmeme.fun because every coin there hits Raydium instantly. That's exactly why people are gatekeeping this site. Now, you can build from scratch by going to the main page of this site, which is Create CoinCab. Once you find your nowadays viral meme coin narrative, then bring it back here, pick a name, a ticker, and an image, and click Next. It's that simple. But the second strategy is to copy a trending coin, like one that is already performing in the market. Let me clear you, on this site you can see the copy trending coin tab, click it and look. Every coin on this tab already has a working narrative. They're going viral and pulling massive volume on Pump.fun. The play here is to bridge that viral narrative over to Raydium. Let's run a live example so you can see exactly how much this method pulls in. First, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected. Hit refresh and find a target. I'm going with this Wojak coin. Looks solid, and you can see that the market cap is fucking insane now. jump back to the site and click copy to Raydium right here. Wait for the Phantom wallet to pop up. Every single launch at the beginning, you'll see a warning. Just ignore it. It's completely normal. It shows up on every single transaction. Just hit proceed, then I understand, and finally click confirmed. Give it a second to load, and boom, our token is live on the Solana blockchain. Now check your coin on SolScan, and yeah, we're live on chain 11 seconds ago. It's all moving. Now it's time to create a liquidity pool for our token. Now return to the site and click create liquidity pool. This page right here is really simple. For the people who don't know what this is, we are just creating the liquidity pool. So once the liquidity pool is created, people will be able to buy your supply and it will be directly in the Raydium DEX. Okay, it's really important to do this step because otherwise your coin will not be live on the chain. Now for the amount of coins, click on 90%. That will drop whatever that amount is for 90%. Right under for the amount of SOL to pair, that is the first buy in your own coin. By the way, bro, you are not losing anything here. It's the first buy, okay? You are just exchanging some of your SOL for some supply to make profits later on. If you want to cash out your money and you want it back, you can just cash out and it will come back in your Phantom wallet. So it's not a big deal. It's not like if you spent anything, right? But yeah, here I'm gonna put 0.3 SOL, then click on create pool, and then just wait for the Phantom wallet to pop up. As always, you'll see a warning. Ignore it. It shows up on every single transaction. Just hit proceed, then I understand, and finally click confirm. Boom, your coin is open for trade. Now just scroll down and bang, the Render token coin is now officially created and live on the chain. Okay, people can see our coin and your profits will be right here whenever you want to see them. And if you want to see how much you're up at this moment, click on refresh and then it will refresh right here. And as you guys can see, our P and L went up to 139 bucks, which is a 410% gain in a couple of seconds because we copied a coin that is attracting a bunch of traders. Now click on view on Photon. Our token is live and gaining some buyers, but to add spice to the token, I'm going to use a quick promotion tool which boosts the token. So head over to Pump.fun and just forget about wasting hours manually posting. This site gets you instant exposure on dexscreener, GN, and Bird Eye automatically. Let's do it live. Connect your Phantom wallet, then simply paste your token address and choose your promotion. There are free and 0.1 SOL promotion is also available, but I'm going with the advanced 0.5 SOL option for maximum reach. Now toggle include free website. This is huge. Upload your logo, set your token name. I'll call this Wojak, select Raydium and hit confirm. Click pay and promote. Approve the transaction, wait for a Phantom wallet to pop up, and then just click confirm and you are done. Now just watch. It's creating a professional website and promoting your token to thousands of traders at the exact same time. And boom, website ready. Let's check it out. In seconds, you have a live landing page with tokenomics and real-time chart links ready for investors. So jump back to your Photon and see the live chart of your token. If I had to guess, I think we're up around 3,000 or 4,000 bucks. Bang, bro. So many people are buying in. That's exactly what we like to see as devs. Oh my god, bro, more people are buying in. I think we're up like $7,000 right now. Okay, we know that's actually insane. We made this coin for literally some dollars. This is insane. If the meme is hot and if you use the right tool for meme coin promotion, then you can cash out good money. That's exactly why people are saying that deving is the new meta. Anyways, I'm going to give this coin some time for it to marinate and for it to pump. When I come back, we will cash out. I will show you guys how. Alright guys, I am back and bang bro, we are up to a $8.5 thousand market cap. It's actually fucking insane. Like, it has been like 5 minutes and it's already up a lot. I think the question is here now, how we can get profit from this launch. So I'm going to, dump it. Now come back to launch Memecoin and then click on the refresh button right here. And as you guys can see down below, bro, 5K is what we're up right now, which is not really bad, bro. Like, dude, that's actually insane for most people watching this video. Right now, click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity, wait for Phantom wallet to just show up, and then ignore the block. Click on proceed. and confirm, then I understand, and at last confirm. And bang, bro. That's exactly how you do it from the best. Now, if I return to the chart, you can see liquidity is removed. Now look, if I open my wallet, bro, bang, $5,632 is what we received. And yeah, bro, that is proof that deving is way better than trading, bro. If I did not convince you by now, I don't know what will. Every site will be linked in the comments down below or in the description. Peace out. Trying to get started but don't have the dev fee? I got you. I'm sending 1 SOL to 10 winners to help you take your first step. To enter, subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment down below.